Now we're going to learn how to play a piece called Canon in C, by a variation of a piece by Pachelbel. First, let's learn the chord pattern. Right, now let's start by learning this really beautiful chord pattern. So first it starts with C, 2, 3, 4, then G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, to F, 2, 3, down to C, 2, 3, up to F, 2, 3, 4, G, and then it goes again. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, down to E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Now I'm going to show you how to play this piece with a melody. Then we're going to practice and then play with the rhythm. Are you ready? Let's play. Okay, now let's practice. You might want to try practicing the melody on its own first and then adding the chords in. Ready? Let's play. Okay, now let's play with the accompaniment. Listen to the music. Are you ready? Let's play. Well done. Now this one's a tricky one, so don't worry if it takes you a few times to get it right.